Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I'd like to tell you one thing that yes, this video is getting uploaded a bit late cause I was stuck with all the video editing stuffs and all. काफ़ी सारे वीडियोस मैंने बना लिए थे, उसके कारण जो है एडिटिंग करना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा था, इसलिए काफ़ी टाइम लगा एंड अब जाकर के मैं ये वीडियो को अपलोड कर रहा हूँ. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. माय नेम इज़ नीलाद्री एंड टुडे whatsoever the footage you're going to watch is all shot by me, and I have captured this footage with DJI Mavic 2 Pro and which is obviously a drone. And अभी आप जो भी drone footages देखने वाले हो, ये whole and soul is property of mine. So if you are using this footage in any of the places without the permission, then you might get some notice or copyright strike in other platforms. So please do not upload the video anywhere without my permission. For permission, you can check my description box below. There I will leave my email ID, my Instagram handle. There you can get in contact with me, and then we can discuss how you can work or how I can work with the drone footage if in case you are interested to upload or use it in some other platform. So first of all, I would like to tell that yes, Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. I was on my northeast trip a few days back, and over there I came across this lovely beautiful location that is Kohima. मुझे मौका मिला कोहिमा में जाके एक जगह मिला, एक पहाड़ के ऊपर एक जगह था जहाँ पे मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला ड्रोन को फ्लाई करने का. तब जाकर के मैंने कोहिमा का ये सुंदर सा ड्रोन फुटेज मैंने अपलोड किया जो अभी आप देखने वाले हो. सो येस, एंजॉय द ड्रोन फुटेज एंड मिलते हैं ड्रोन फुटेज के बाद. Okay, so back on the camera. So yes, I hope so you all have liked the footage, like all the the infrastructure, the roads, the cars, the the bending roads and all of Kohima is very beautiful. In fact, अगर आप इसको अगर अपनी आंखों से देखते हो तो वो और ज़्यादा सुंदर लगता है, cause you get to feel that breeze, that cloud, the moments, and everything. So yes, ever you get a chance to visit Kohima, that is the capital of Nagaland, do visit there. And I feel Nagaland, Kohima, Manipur is a beautiful, amazing place. Though हम लोग travel नहीं करते, हमें उतना पता नहीं होता है. So yes, ever you get a chance, go fly or drive through Kohima and get to see this lovely location. So if you, in case if you have liked something in the video, do press the like button. You can comment down your comments in the comment section box, and you can express your feelings by sharing this video with your friend, with your idea friends, with your family members, so that they can get to see this lovely location that is Kohima. With all that said, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And yes, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो पे, which will be from Manipur, cause I have already uploaded few of the travel series of my Nagaland, of my Manipur, Guwahati and northeast places. So I have already uploaded it. If you haven't watched, go and check it out in my channel, and आपको पता चलेगा कि किस तरीके से मैंने अपना जर्नी को जो चालू किया from Guwahati, then I reached to other places, then Nagaland, then Manipur, then Kohima and other places. So with all that said, bye bye, take care, ride safe. मिलते हैं अगले vlog पे. Till then, watch my past videos. Bye bye.